As y'all know, this is my 87 Chevy Caprice Landau that I'm building for 28 by 12s. And I just want to give y'all a vision of what it take to build an old school car working the 9 to 5. Some days it's going to be happy. Some days you're going to have a headache. Some days you're going to go broke. But I just want to show y'all the good before the bad and break down these price points of what it take to build an old school car working the 9 to 5. People in my comments be asking me, who doing all your metal work? Who doing all your fab work? Found my guy Lewis right here on Offer Up. He came through, pulled up to the crib. He did the whole flow pan, pulled the old one out, put the whole new one in, seam sealed it around, welded it in. PRP primer, glossed up, looking like your mama hot butter biscuits. Yeah, you see what's going on. Cost me $1,100. This is IG. If you need your flow pan done or any welding, tap in with them. Right here, we got the back quarter. You see all that cancer. You see that rust down there. I ain't know it was like that till I got the car. Man, this will discourage somebody. This right here is the A-pillar on the passenger side, but I ain't tripping. Got the part right there. I'm going to show you who the plug is. This right here, it got to be replaced. You see the cancer, and I'm just showing y'all what it take to build an old school car working the 9 to 5. And before I put them 28 by 12s on, he the plug. I'm just showing y'all. This right here, the back window, the back quarter windows on both sides, rust. I can hear y'all now, bro. You should have just bought a rust-free car, bro. You should have just bought a new car, bro. You should have just left that car where it said it's a rust bucket. Man, you ain't got no car. I ain't trying to hear all that. But look, we got the windows replaced, got everything put back in, welded back in, looking good. No water leaks, look like it can get through. And I'm just showing y'all how it looked to build the old school car working the 9 to 5. This cost me $2,600 right here. $2,600 for the windows in the bottom quarter right here. I can't beat that. Work look good. I'm fixing what need to be done. This who fixed it right here. If you need anything done, tap in with them. And I'm bringing y'all back to the light of this build because I know that was too much for your eyes. These what y'all want to see, 28 by 12. Now, I ain't come here to start no problems or ruffle no feathers. Just a little ruckus. I understand we build cars, but I'm just trying to understand the thought process of what some of y'all take. Y'all are buy $10,000 plus wheels, jack up the car, put a whole live, take the wheel off, and y'all thinking this through, just understand what you just did. You bought $10,000 plus wheels. $10,000. That shit sound crazy coming out of my mouth. $10,000 plus wheels. You leave all this factory and stuff a knuckle and a spring compressor up in there. Listen to what I'm saying. You bought $10,000 plus wheels and you put them on your car. I'm just trying to understand the thought process. I understand we building cars, but is it that serious? I know you wondering and thinking, how is he gonna make 28 by 12s fit on the Chevy Caprice 87 Landau? Money. It's gonna take a lot of that. And this here, my fellow non-believers, this is what 28 by 12 look like on the Chevy Caprice Landau. If that wasn't enough, I don't know what to tell you. 28 by 12 on the 87 Chevy Caprice Landau. I'm just trying to give y'all a vision before I hit the streets and cause ruckus, mayhem. Well, I know you're wondering thinking, how much money? Well, let's do the math. 9-inch Ford rear end, $2,000. 6-piston brakes, $4,000. Suspension, $5,000. That ain't even including tubbing and bracing, paying the person to do the work. Now, do I need all that to make these wheels fit? Probably not. Could I go a cheaper route? Probably could. Do I really want to? I don't. Just depending on the circumstances and what really makes sense. When I see cars like this, it motivate me because it's go big or go home. Ain't no half stepping.